Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to reset TikTok For You page. Firstly, get up to your TikTok account and go For You page on your side. Now, as you can see, when you scroll down and find a video which you don't want to see it on your For You page, for example this one, what you need to do, you need to tap and hold on it on the video, and as you can see you have many options right here for reporting or for not interested. Go for not interested, and as you can see there, the process or the mainable video sessions on TikTok will not be shown by these videos which are related on the last one, which we go on the side that says not interesting. Now what we need to do next, for example, if you wanna get off from also this video, go again, and if you go for report, go for report. Here you can also report this video by selecting a reason. For example, we'll go with hate speech and I'll go submit and I'll go for done. Now with this also, the For You side on TikTok, the algorithm of TikTok For You page will gonna get at to our access. And the main thing also that you want to do it to get up and reset your TikTok For You page, when you do that section what we did before, you need just to get back, and as you go up you need just to tap right on your left side down on the home screen to take a refresh on it. Just tap on it, and with this, as you can see, we have made it and refresh on TikTok. Guys, with this you know how to reset TikTok For You page. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.